Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. What's going on, everyone? Luna's gonna, I mean, the whole market's down today, but Luna is getting absolutely ripped right now. Luna, sorry, Lunites who bought the top. You know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Can't predict some of this stuff. Pop music for the shortest. Seriously. What's up, Crypto X? Had no choice but to turn bearish. I mean, it's hard to be bullish at this point, man. To be honest. I mean, at this point, man, I mean, listen. We're going to do what we're going to do in the short term. And nothing's changed in the long term, now. Like I always say, man. Max said, R.I.P. Bulls. Rest in peace, Bulls. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! What's going on, Elliot? What's up, Fahid? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Bitcoin 31.1. Trying to make some moves back up. Not really. But it's trying to. It's trying to, which is good. At least we got a little action. A lot of action today. We have a lot to talk about today, man. A lot of alts got absolutely destroyed. Luna absolutely destroyed. We'll take a look at all that today, man. Let's take a look at all that. All right. Give me 2 seconds, guys. We'll jump on in.
Nope.
All you salty bulls. All you freaking salty bulls. That's what you get. Guys, I got some hairspray. Look at how good my hair is. I have a date tonight with Melissa. Isn't it beautiful? Look at my hairspray, guys. Look at all you salty bulls. Look at Tether. All you guys saying Luna's the next big project. It's down 40% today. You friggin' bulls. You guys suck. Alright, guys, I'm gonna give it to Jordan. But you guys suck. Let's friggin' go. You guys should be shorting the market. Short it. Short it.
Nope.
God. No, It's not over, man. It's not over. Hold on. Hold on, man. It's not over. There we go. Yo! What's going on, everyone? Here's the Bitcoin chart for you. Here's the Bitcoin chart. Here you guys go. 89 cents for Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. Bitcoin came down. Luna came down. Everything kind of came down today, as you guys know. But Luna the biggest, down about 34% on the day. And yeah, man. Tether, not at $1. It's never a good thing. It got down to 89 on the old UST. It's not very good either. So we have a couple different things to talk about today, man. I mean, the market just got absolutely obliterated today. One of the bloodiest days that we've seen in a long time for crypto. But right, we'll talk about how today sucks. Right, today's not good for a bull, but we are one step closer. All right, we're one step closer to the levels that I think might be a golden buy area, and statistically or throughout history have been the best times to buy crypto. So that's what we're going to talk about today, man. You guys could smack the like button. I know today is a horrible day, and I think it's only makes sense for us to look at the daily chart and just do a little bit of a violin to start the stream, man. Because, yeah, there it is, man. 31, we started the day up towards 34K, and yeah, we made it all the way back down to 30,100. Not a good day, man. Not a good freaking day as we continue to break down from our bear flag that we were looking at for a long time. What's going on, William? What's going on, Andrew? Heard drama about a shoe store? Ha, you did, man. You got some hairsprays ready. What is the sad song? There you go, man. There's the sad song. Just go on your phone, ask Siri, go, yo, what is the song that's playing right now? And there you go, it'll tell you. Thinking about buying some Luna now? Man, you can do it. Just be careful with that, man, because I don't know what's going to happen with that, I have no idea what's going to happen with that, so I'm not going to tell you to buy Luna. You can do it. It's going to be risky. You can do it, but obviously it's definitely a risky investment at this point, man. But I guess buy when the streets are red, which everything's red. I mean, short term, man. I mean, can we look at short term TA for Bitcoin? Does it really matter what the short term TA for Bitcoin is right now? I would argue no, and I would also argue why I don't have my something on here. Hold on, man. There we go. Never mind. I guess we don't really need that. I will say this. If you go to some of the short-term time frames, does it really matter to do any really TA on Bitcoin in the short term right now? I mean, I don't know, man. We're seeing capitulation across the board, and it's kind of a win for, man. We're kind of waiting for this capitulation. Now, I don't think we've truly hit a true capitulation just yet. I think a true capitulation would be if Bitcoin dropped below, even got closer to 30K, and it got to like 29K with the previous lows. You could see some serious capitulation. I mean, right now, Bitcoin is coiling up for another move, right? The question is, which direction is it going to go? We have a lot of oversold indicators on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the shorter term time frames, but the trend is your friend until the end. The trend right now is to the downside. You got to give it its due. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of trolls in the chat. There's going to be a lot of grumpy people in the chat. It is what it is, man. Terry said, you are red. I am red. We are all red. Hey, man. We're at this point, we got to accept it. No, but we are making it. We are coiling up for some type of move. We're getting higher lows, lower highs, coiling up. Question is, which direction do we go? I think most people would say that we probably going back down to the downside. How you guys think? How are you guys feeling in the chat? How you guys feeling? Let me know. How is your generally feeling in the chat before we dive deep on into where we think that we could go next for BTC? It's all a guess, as we know, just to start. It's all a guess, but at the end of the day, we'll do our best here. I mean, the 1 hour, if we get out of the 15 minute here real quick, the 1 hour is oversold on both the RSI and the stock RSI. 4 hours also oversold in the 4 hour and in the stock RSI. It's actually the lowest the 4 hour RSI has been. If we look back, it hasn't been this low, which, keep this in mind, guys. In a bearish trend, just like in a bullish trend, a lot of these times, these things are, semi-pointless to look at sometimes. But if we go back, this hasn't been this low since, we're talking 2020, man. This is some serious carnage
that we're seeing at the moment. Yeah, it hasn't been this low since March of 2020. You're talking March 12th of 2020, the last time the 4-hour RSI has been this low. Absolutely insane, man. So 31,150. I mean, listen, if we're just looking at the technicals, it would make some sense for Bitcoin to have a short-term rally to the upside before seeing a little bit more downside. Though that's kind of what we said last May, right? Where things were just dropping like a fly and it didn't really matter at the end of the day. Now, jump on over to the daily. We still have our 24K target on... What's going on, Clint? Yeah, we still have our 24K target on our bear flag, man. So, we still have that rocking and rolling. Are we going to reach the bottom there? That's obviously the question. But what I will say is, guys, before we get too bearish and too, I think look at everyone in the chat, man. You got people bearish. Someone hold me. We are going to 0. Oh man, we're hearing everything that we usually hear. Ready?
Everybody panic. We're going to 0. Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Basically, Bitcoin
we're hearing
is
all this
clearly a
crap,
scam.
man.
Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest.
We're hearing all this. Financially illiterate, invest in Bitcoin. I guess we're all financial literate right now. I think we're literally all financial literate. I think the Bank of Canada guy was correct at this point. He's literally correct. We're hearing everything though, right?
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
All the elves are out. But no, seriously. Before we get too huffy and puffy right now, we're going to take a look at Luna real quick in a second. I know Luna's getting absolutely crushed. Now down 37%. I mean, just keeps going and going and going. Now down 37.5%. Luna's getting absolutely annihilated. Sounds so bad. I don't mean to like scare you guys, but Luna's getting absolutely annihilated, okay? Luna's getting absolutely annihilated. Clint said, I bought more today. Why wouldn't you if you have a little cash on hand? I agree, Clint. I agree. I'm buying on this way down. Slowly but surely buying on this way down, man. Now, like we said, 200 moving average is where I'm really looking at. 200 EMA to 200 MA, but we'll go get in a second. Daily RSI oversold. Daily stock RSI oversold. So you got all the time frames really below the daily screaming for some type of short-term bounce to the upside. So, if Bitcoin does have some short-term rally to the upside, I would not be surprised one bit, right? I would not be surprised one bit. That's kind of what the technicals are saying. Now, I will say, I mean, just like we said earlier, the technicals in times like this, just be careful just looking at technicals, right? Look at the broader picture. The 3-day, okay, also showing a little bit of oversold, right? I mean, the last time the 3-day RSI, right? The 3-day RSI, the last time that's been oversold was March of 2020, and before that was 2018, okay? So we haven't seen that level on that in over 2 years. So we're talking 2 years and 2 months that we haven't been this low, right? Same thing, stock RSI is oversold on that. So what I'll say is, like, typically where we're looking at, this is typically a point where Bitcoin would be getting a bounce, or typically would be close to getting a bounce. And the weekly kind of says that too. If we actually go to the weekly time frame, not very often does the weekly RSI come this low either, man. I mean, we're talking March of 2020 was the last time as well. So, I mean, we have something interesting to look at here on the weekly time frame that we'll look at in a second. I just want to see what you guys are saying in the chat for a second, man. Yeah, Clint, stocks got absolutely destroyed. I mean, we'll look at the SPX in a second, but yeah, S&P 500 got absolutely destroyed. NASDAQ got absolutely destroyed. I mean, you're talking carnage around the markets, and that's a big reason why the crypto market got absolutely hammered today in reality. So, real quick, I wanted to look at one thing. Now, this is just maybe a little bit of hopium for the bulls, okay? Because I don't want to be all doom and gloom. I want to keep some type of positivity with the stream and not just be all doom and gloom, okay? Even though I do think lower prices could be due. And I've sort of said my golden buy zone, right? Look at how close we're getting to the 200 EMA, all right? This is what gets me excited. And before we get to the hopium, this is what gets me excited, guys. We're getting so close to that 200 EMA, which historically, if you buy anywhere close to the 200 EMA, that has been statistically the best points that you could buy throughout Bitcoin's history, all right? That's right now sitting at 27,100. We are so close to that. We are literally less than 4K away from that level. All right, literally less than 4K away from that level. So we're almost at the point where I'm not going to say it's going to continue, but if based on the past performance, has been the best times to buy crypto. All right, 27,000. Just to go back and look again. We've looked at this every day, but I want to go back and look again. Right here, right? Look at right here. Look at March.
Rant alert.
You bought at the 200 EMA, you'd be buying at 6K. You'd be happy you bought at 6K, right? You go back in time, November 2018, you bought at 4,000, you'd be freaking happy, man.
Rant alert.
Okay? Once again, you go back in time. You go back to 2014, 2015. You bought at $200, you'd be freaking happy, man.
Rant alert.
Okay? So, we're getting super, super close to that level. Doesn't mean we can't go lower than that, right? Typically, we actually go to the 200 moving average, which is actually the red one here. That one's at 22K. And I've sort of said anywhere between this, I'm going balls to the wall with the $3 of fiat that I do have. I don't have that much fiat left. I only have $3. And that's where I'm going to be going to the wall with my fiat. All right? Simple as that. So if there's any sort of, good thing to take away from today is that we got closer to what has historically been life-changing prices. Okay? So take that for what you will if you want some type of positivity for today. All right? What's up, D-Boy? I'm buying DCA from there. I'm buying my 3 BTC. I'm excited. There you go, Yosef. Hope it gets down there for you, man. I do. I wouldn't mind it either. I've sort of said when we were in the stupid range, I was like, hey, if Bitcoin was going to dump, just freaking do it, man. Just freaking do it, all right? What's going on, DJ? $3, bro, is balling? Yeah, right now, man. With inflation, $3 with these prices that are going on right now, if you got $3 in your bank account, you're killing it right now, all right? Absolutely killing it. I mean, listen, if you're in Luna, you'd be lucky to have $2 right now. Seriously. All right. Where is Luna doing right now? Oh, my Lord. I'm sorry, man. I don't mean to laugh. It's just like sometimes in these situations, all you can really do is laugh, man. Listen, I own some Luna too. I mean, I don't own a crap load of Luna, but oh, my Lord, man. Oh, my Lord. Look at the weekly. Look at the daily on this thing. Huh. Down 40%. 40% in a day, man.
George! Friggin' George! I finally invested in a non-meme coin. He told me to buy Luna at all-time highs. I listened to him with Shiba. Now Luna? Friggin' George! George, where are you? You told me this was a good project. You told me this. Freaking Christ. Mom, I need meatloaf now. If I don't get meatloaf right now, I'm gonna go and ape shit. Ape shit.
Oh, God. No, but, yeah, 39.25. Absolutely obliterated, man. Absolutely obliterated. Yeah, it's down 39, 20, 27. I mean, how low does this thing go? I mean, the daily is over. It's TA matter. It's going to get a short-term bounce at some point, right? It's been sold off at so much, okay? It's going to get a short-term bounce at some point. So if you guys are holding Luna, I mean, listen, not financial advice, but I mean, I don't know, man. I'm not going to tell you to wait for some type of relief bounce on something that's down 40%. I mean, that's just, you guys do what you want to do, all right? No financial advice. You do what you want to do. Kwan got to be snorting an 8-ball right now. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. We'll keep looking at Luna. I mean, it's down 40%. How low does it go? I don't know, man. I don't know. But all right. Well, what else do I got? For some type of hopium, man? I mean, there's not too much for hopium right now. In reality, guys, I the way I'm looking at the market right now is I do think we go a little bit lower. Does that mean it's not a good time to DCA? No, I think it's a good time to DCA. But I do think it's possible, and I would say somewhat likely we go a little bit lower, okay? I'm not selling anything, all right? We're so close to my buy zones, it doesn't make sense to sell anything at this point. But, what I'll say is this, all right? For a little bit of hopium for you guys, all right? A little bit of hopium. two things we can look at here. All right, two things. Typically speaking, Bitcoin takes 1 year to go from its top to its bottom. All right. Now, remember that fact. Okay, remember that fact. And also, all right, here's the other thing I'm looking at here. All right. Back in 2014, this is just some hopium. Okay. It took from Bitcoin when it hit its peak until it broke the 50-week moving average. It took about 37 weeks. All right. And then for it to bottom, it took about 59 weeks, give or take. Okay. Here's what I'm looking at here. Now, I'm not comparing to 2014. I'm just looking at strictly the moving averages and strictly what a typical bear market, what we've seen for Bitcoin be, right? It takes about a year typically to bottom out. All right. Right now, if you look at it this way, how long it took Bitcoin to from the April top. Now, a lot of people think that the 69K top was a little bit fabricated and kind of threw off everything. If you take it from the April top until when it broke actually the week that it broke the 50-week moving average was 37 weeks as well. All right. Now, if we were to do a little bit of, I guess Ben Cowan kind of threw in the towel on his own theory. He doesn't think extended cycles is actually legit anymore. If we did a little dubious speculation, right? 59 weeks. You're looking at the end of May. Okay, for if you were to take the May top as the top. Okay, now that's very, very dubious. Turn off your car, man. Oh my Lord. What the hell, man? Turn off your freaking car outside. God damn, I'm trying to do a stream right now while the market's going down. Come on, bro. Yeah, about 59 weeks would be the end of May. All right, so here's sort of I guess the bearish, bullish hopium. Okay, does Bitcoin have some type of capitulation during the rest of May? Right, these next 3 weeks of May, we got 3 more weeks of May. Does Bitcoin see a big sort of capitulation to the 20-week moving average at approximately about 22K? Right, approximately about 22K. Could that be a sort of hypothesis that we look at? Now, Clint, don't make fun of my hypothesis, okay? Do we see that? That would be 3 weeks and about, you're talking about another 30% drop in the next 3 weeks. I don't think that's terribly unreasonable at the rate Bitcoin's going these last 6 weeks. We have 6 weeks straight of red. Could that be a scenario? I think that's relatively, from what we see in the past, Bitcoin could certainly do that. And then we kind of just range out from there until whenever Bitcoin wants to go up. And that's sort of the bullish hopium based off previous markets, and Bitcoin usually bottoming about a year from when it goes up. So, or from when it hits the top. A little bit of dubious speculation, okay? A little bit of dubious speculation, but sort of a scenario that I could see playing out. Terra and Luna in a free fall. Yeah, I know, man. Luna's getting crushed. Yeah, it's down to 38.40, man. Rest in peace, bro. I mean, what can we say? Shout out to all my Luna holders out there. You guys have some true diamond balls, man. This is all you guys staring at the Luna chart right now. Absolutely destroyed. It's okay, man. We're all destroyed. Look at all the altcoins today. Okay, for everyone that's deep in the altcoins, look at the altcoins today. All right, just look at them. Just look at them.
My cojones are rock hard.
Just remember, you have rock hard cojones. Okay, throughout this whole period, you continue to have rock hard cojones. The whales are shitting on us right now. Absolutely shitting. You see this whale? He is shitting all over my bed right now. Not my bed. He's shitting all over my head. Okay? Shitting on it. Absolutely just shitting on it. Spitting all over my face. But it's okay. It's okay. Why? Because we still own our crypto. It sounds so bad. It's okay because we still own our crypto, guys. It's okay, man. It's okay. Just got to pick on an extra couple shifts up for McDonald's and we'll go from there. 37.50, man. Oh, God. Oh, God, man. Who owns a significant amount of Luna? Let me know in the chat. Be honest, too. It's okay, man. I sold Crow before it did a 10x. All right? Who owns a significant amount of Luna? I bought XRP at $3 plus. It's okay. Admit it in the chat. Admit it in thy chat. Let me hear it, man. I bought Harmony 1 at 30 cents. It's down to 8 cents now. right? Just a minute, man.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
We've all been there. It's not okay, Sinangelo. Oh my God, it's getting absolutely wrecked. 30. All you can do is laugh, man. All you can do is laugh at this point. I don't mean to laugh. I mean, I do mean to laugh. I'm in the same boat as you guys, so I think I have the right to laugh. But, yeah, I mean, carnage. I don't own Luna. Negative. I bought $100. You're telling me none of you guys own Luna. Come on, man. Everyone was hyping up Luna. Now no one owns it. Oh, God. 36.50. Holy moly. Look at this thing drop. What's Bitcoin doing? Oh, Bitcoin's... Oh, no. Here comes Bitcoin, too. Oh, no. Bitcoin peaking. It's peeking its head. See if it gets the 15-minute close here. 7 minutes till the 15-minute close. But yeah, it's peeking its little straw head down here. Might not be good in the short term. We'll find out. It's just funny because everything's pointing. All right, Bitcoin needs a bounce. Bitcoin needs a bounce. Just like we said when the market's bullish, we always say Bitcoin needs a pullback. Bitcoin needs a pullback. A lot of times it doesn't get it. You can say the same thing about when Bitcoin goes down. You know, it's sort of, you know, TA is TA, and TA works until it doesn't, as you guys know. And we're in our rip range. Look at how fast, dude, this is why I had this as the RIP range. Look at how fast we just ripped through that range. We ripped straight from 1.6 trillion. We just ripped straight down to 1.4. Like it was nothing, man. That's the rip range. Now, we're making our way to the bottom of the rip range on both total, right? Both total market cap ripping through the bottom. Getting to our next really support levels we're looking at here. And total 3, just ripping through. I mean, I'm not going to state the obvious. Next level for Bitcoin is the obvious 30K level, right? 30K, I think everyone can agree 30K should be in a psychological level. If that breaks, we're looking at the bottom wick, back down towards 28,800. Really, and besides that, I mean, and we're looking at the 200-week EMA at 27K. So we have some support below us, but we're getting close. We're getting really, really close. Really, really close, man. It's peeking its little head. Clint said we're bouncing. All right, bouncing to the guts of hell. At least Clint's joining the team now. Bouncing through the guts of hell. Man. Let's go back to Luna. $37 on Luna. I remember this was like 100 plus just a couple days, not a couple days ago. Actually, it was like $87 a couple days ago. That's nuts. It's crazy, man. 200 moving average. What about the 200 moving average?
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Those people are so happy right now. What's going on? Bitcoin is oversold. I see this week. All right. Going back to the monthly chart on BTC. And this is sort of my ultimate hopium that Bitcoin doesn't have that much lower to go. Now, keep in mind, the keyword is that much lower. The monthly RSI. Now, typically, the best time to buy Bitcoin is also when the monthly RSI is between a 44 and a 48. Okay? Monthly RSI at the moment, all right, is at a 47.5. So, based on history, this has been, we're also in the range where this is a great buy opportunity for Bitcoin. And I think people should be accumulating. Now, right now, I will say this. I'm accumulating mostly Bitcoin and ETH, okay? Altcoins are altcoins, okay? Mostly accumulating Bitcoin and ETH at this point for multiple different reasons, but volatility reasons, Bitcoin and ETH, okay? Bitcoin and ETH. These levels, I like the rate of return for Bitcoin and ETH at this point. Risk versus reward, basically. But yeah, I mean, we're at a 47.50. Okay, doesn't mean that you can't like defy history and drop below here, but Bitcoin's monthly RSI has never been below 44. You're at a 47.5. Still could go lower, as always, and I think about a 44 would be Bitcoin hitting somewhere around the 200 moving average, somewhere around that somewhere around that range. You sound like freaking. I am George. We're all George. Bitcoin fucked us today. Fucked us. We are fucked. I'm just waiting for it today, man. That's all I'm waiting for it tonight. Oh, God. I got to give it to George, though. He is really good at staying positive, man. You know, I'll give it to him. You know, not many people can stay positive. I will say that. I will take some Meta. Truly's getting the best. Chill. George is pissed. You know, and then he, of course, got our good friend today. A really, really good friend. Our great friend.
Learned a lesson. Been nothing but red since the beginning of the year with alt person shrugging. You don't lose till you sell those.
Facts, man. Facts, Lord Mario. Bitcoin and ETH right now for me. All right, but yeah, and you got your good friend. Can I say something? This guy, he loves to make himself sound like he was correct. Listen, no offense against BitBoy. BitBoy, actually, I will say this. BitBoy and George are the only two people I've been watching the last couple weeks, really, just because they somewhat entertain me. This guy, man, he knows how to stir drop drama, man. He really, really does. The biggest channel in the interwebs, because Coinbero is a faker, an actor, okay? But anyways, besides the point, okay? I have been so right on this channel. Now, guys, I have been wrong plenty of times, guys. I missed both the tops, okay? Price-wise, I really missed the bottom last September. I told you guys that we're going into a bear market last September, and we just continue to go up from like 39K to 69K, okay? But I was so right on the timing of the Bitcoin tops. I consistently told you guys that September was going to be the top. I told you guys, like, the beginning of September was going to be the top for Bitcoin, which it totally was. If we go back to the beginning of September, oh, God, wait, it wasn't the top. I wasn't right. But anyways, I was totally right on the timing, guys. I wasn't right on the price, but I was right on the timing, man, okay? Now, I know a lot of people like to shit on me for XRP going to $385 and Bitcoin going to 100K in Q4, but I was so right, and no one's been more right than me on this channel, okay? Now let's do some bench press. Come on, TJ! TJ! Spot me! Oh, God, man. You gotta have a little fun, man. You gotta have a little fun. BitBoy, by the way, if you see this, man, I love you, man. I love you, man. It's all in good fun. It's all in good fun. I was wrong a lot, too, man. But listen, stop saying you're right. You weren't right, man. Ah, God. We were all wrong. Everyone was wrong, man. Even Savvy was wrong, okay? People like to say Savvy was right, but he was wrong. All right, 30,500. We're coming back down here, 30,500. Here comes BTC, coming back down to test the 30K range when the roids don't work. Oh, God. TJ, I feel like it would be a good spotter, though. He would, because he would care so much about you. Oh, man. Cronescape. Nice. Yeah, Crone's pretty good. Crone's pretty good. I like watching Crone. I watch him sometimes. What's going on, Josh? Glad you guys are having fun tonight. You can only have fun, man. That's why I'm here. I want to. Now, every day I'm not going to do it, but I want to try to make everyone feel better when the market's going down. I mean, you can do all the TA and look at everything in the world. In reality, no one knows where the market's going to go, so you might as well have fun with it, man. So that's sort of what I say. 30,644. Is Bitcoin going to come lower, guys? What do you think in the chat? Let's do a poll real quick. Let's do a freaking poll, man. Will BTC go below, let's say this. Will BTC go below 30K tonight? Yes or no in the chat. Will BTC go below 30K tonight? Not tomorrow. Tonight. Let me know. This is my happy and sad face. You gotta be a little happy, man. I'll tell you right now, Vitalik's not happy and clappy, but where's my guy? Here he is.
Happy and
Clapping. Vitalik is the best. What altcoin's holding up the best? I always tell you guys, you want to crap on ETH, all your crappy altcoins are down 85%. Where's ETH? Only down 50. Come on, man. Only down 50. But it's facts. Don't be crapping on ETH, man. Where's all your other layer ones? Where's Luna? Where's all my Luna haters? Or where's all my Luna haters? Where's all my Solana haters? What's up, Brian? Tonight's the night. Tonight's the night. Yes, before midnight. I can see it happen, especially going into tomorrow if it does. All right, a couple other things, guys. Where's Luna? Where's Luna? All right, Luna's trying to bounce back up a little bit. There you go, Luna. I love it. I love it. Let's see. ETH, man. All right. Let's see. S&P. S&P got absolutely obliterated today, down about 3.2%. It's not looking good for the S&P, man. I will definitely say that. What I'll say about on the weekly time frame, the weekly hasn't been. August 2011 was the last time. Actually, no, it wasn't. The last time the weekly, besides March of 2020, right? That was a pandemic. And we bounced back pretty quick that time. Besides that, the last time the S&P has been oversold was all the way back in October of 2008. And we're almost at that level, which is absolutely nuts. And just to say, we still went lower, even though we got oversold. We still ended up going significantly lower. It only lasted a few weeks. And I think I want people to realize this, guys. I want people to realize this, all right? When you get big market crashes, okay, and typically, you even look at, say, something like the S&P here in 2008, when you get these big market crashes like this, now typically, all right, they only last a few weeks to a few months. Like this time right here, January to about June, all right? From January, you had that last dump, okay, and then you came back up within the next 3 months. It lasted about 6 months. I mean, what's 6 months, right? What is 6 months in the grand scheme of things? It's not much. And I want people to realize, like, yes, the prices can go low, but just remember when, typically speaking, when Bitcoin bottoms out, it doesn't tend to stay at that bottom very long. And I think people forget that. It's like, oh my God, Bitcoin could go to 22K, the 200 moving average. Just because it can go there doesn't mean it's going to stay there. Now, it could. Don't get me wrong, it could. But typically, it doesn't stay there. And I just kind of want to use that as an example for Bitcoin. It's like, you know, people have this doomsday scenario that's going to bottom out and just stay there, which it doesn't typically do. So keep that in mind. Get that T-shirt on. Big Wick Energy. Anything else? USDT. Oh, my Lord. Back down to 85. My Lord, man. Where's UST going? Guys, what is let's do a bet. Where will the UST go by tomorrow? Where will UST wick to by tomorrow? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, USD crash. It's here. It's here. It's not going anywhere, man. It's not going anywhere. Exactly, Brian. Brian VG's got it. Times like this suck, but when you look back, even if it's a couple years down the road, man, you're gonna sit back and be like, why the frick? It's even one step that you guys are even here, right? Most people aren't even here. 99.56724.6% of people don't even know how to use a crypto wallet. Okay, so the fact that you guys are even here is the first step. All right. The second step is realizing that when you look back at this in a couple years down the road, you're going to be like, why the hell didn't I just accumulate, man? Why was I freaking myself out? Why didn't I just accumulate? And I know you guys won't realize that now. You might not realize that a couple weeks from now if we're lower, okay? But at some point, you will look back on that and say, why the frick didn't I just buy, man? You know? And it sucks saying that now because there could be a long period of time where like, oh, this is not true. You know, I bought, and I'm not seeing any type of return from this. It's, you know, which you can't, you gotta think of a longer term perspective. I think crypto has sort of spoiled us in a way, at least in the last year, because we've kind of had two big run-ups in the last year In the beginning of 2021 and last summer, we kind of had two big run-ups, so I think kind of spoiled people, which typically that's not how it works. And then we think that making easy gains is just quick and you only have to wait a little bit. Sometimes it can be longer, right? So my point is zoom out, have a longer term mindset. That's always what I preached on my channel, man. It's always what I preached on my channel. Just, you got to be in it for the long term and realize that these levels that we're seeing right now is very, very, very close to points where it was the best time to ever accumulate Bitcoin in the past, okay? Just realize that. I'm not going to say be a life savings in Bitcoin, especially in times like this, but nothing wrong with DCAing a little bit, is my point. What's going on, Digi? Hopium? Let me inject you for some hopium, man. No, it's not hopium. It's what I generally believe, man. Think long term. You look back at these days and like it never freaking happened. And I'll say, like, these days, especially today, like today was a bloody freaking day, man. Today was a really, really bloody day. It was. Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It was a bloody day. You have a top 10 altcoin dropping 43%. That doesn't happen very often. It doesn't. A lot of people got killed on that one because Luna's a top 10 coin. Like, a top 10 coin dropping almost 50% is absolutely unheard of in a day. We're not even talking, we're talking one day. It's nuts. Right? This time right now with the bearishness, I've never seen the space this bearish. I've never seen the YouTube space this bearish. I've never seen Twitter this bearish. It just reminds me a lot of end of 2018. It reminds me a lot, really, of the March and April of 2020, of just absolute bearishness. And looking back at those days, I mean, I wish I accumulated more. I didn't accumulate as much as I wanted to looking back at it. I'm not going to make that same mistake again if we go back to the 200 week, which has historically been the best place to buy. All right, Bitcoin's dumping right now. Just know that Bitcoin is at 6 straight red weeks. It's never had 6 straight red weeks in its history. Okay, think about that for a second. All right, so we're getting there. We're only about $3,000 away from the 200 week EMA. Only $3,000 away. Are you going to take advantage? That's up to you for you to decide. It's up for you to decide, man. I will be. DJ said, I love it better than going crab. I agree. I think we're going lower here, though. I will say, short term, guys, I think we're going lower. Right? I think we're going lower short term. What's up, Psycho Pearl? Is Phantom a good buy at 55 cents? Just realize that Bitcoin could go lower and it could bring down Phantom with it. If you're okay with that, then I think Phantom at 55 cents, you'll look back at that as a good buy opportunity, man. But just be prepared. Like, if Bitcoin breaks 30K, I think altcoins will get absolutely destroyed. I mean, you already saw it today. So just be prepared. Like, even a slight movement of Bitcoin can just absolutely wreck the altcoins. Just be prepared for that. Accumulated cash. There you go. Accumulated cash. Hey, accumulated cash. There's nothing wrong with that either. Fear and Greed. It's at 11. We'll see when it updates. It's going to update in 19 minutes. So we'll see what the Fear and Greed updates to. Bitcoin's coming down to the lows, man. Coming down to our lows. Our lows, we'll just look at the 15-minute time frame. Our low wick was about 30,000, at least on this one, at least on Binance, was about 30,300. So we see it. We're coming down to it. We're very, very close to the lows that we made today, guys. We put a poll up. Will Bitcoin break 30K tonight? Let's find out, man. Let's find out. Stop Luna. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, man. Imagine if this was Bitcoin. There would be panic in the streets, bro. Oh, my Lord, man.
Smash the like button, y'all.
I'm sorry. You can't do anything about it now, man. Holy majoli, bro. 47% down. Oh, my lord. DXY. Yeah, DXY is still at the highs. The DXY is just kind of chilling here a little bit. It's still at the highs from 2017. So we're waiting for it to break 2017 highs. And then, I mean, 120 is the level I'm looking at, man. To be honest, all the way up here at 120, which is the next previous highs. Back from March 2nd. Back from March 2nd. Absolutely nuts. I haven't seen anything like this in a long time. I've seen it from small caps, but from a top 10 coin to drop 47% in a day. Sorry for everyone that had a large amount of money in Luna, man. Seriously, I know I'm laughing. It's to try to keep it positive. That's just how I am. But holy moly, man, that's brutal. That's pretty brutal. All right, Bitcoin, here it is, 30,374. Can we break 30K tonight? That's to say, just do it, man. Imagine if Bitcoin hit the 200 today. I'd be licking my chops. Licking my chops, bro. When was the last time you guys saw a top 10 coin drop 47% in a day? That is absolutely nuts. I'm not talking a week. I'm talking one day. There we go. We back to old times. The red line is under my desk. All right, there it is. Bitcoin broke the lows. There it is. All right, let's see where Bitcoin goes to, guys. Let's go to a shorter term time frame. Let's go to a 1 minute chart, shall we? There it is. And we're going back down, man.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero. Bitcoin's going to 10K.
30,200.
Bitcoin is bearish.
Obliteration. What's up, US? What's up, Brian? Tired of waiting for that 28K? You might get it tonight, man. Here it is, 30,155. We're coming down, boy. We're coming down, boy. 28K next stops in Hazleton. Let's see, man. Guys, smack that like button up. Let's get everyone in here watching. Let's get everyone in here watching. 15-minute chart is brutal. Yeah, it is. All right, here we go. A little bit of action here. A little bit of action. I'm sure Luna's getting crushed again.
Under or over on George crying on stream about Luna and us losing its peg.
I'm glad to be part of this crypto family as I go broke. Thanks, Jordan. I'm broke but laughing. Nice, Red. Red, we're all in the same boat, man. Listen, like, all you can do is laugh. If you're someone who's just gonna hold, there's no point in getting frustrated about it, because either way you're gonna hold. It doesn't matter what the price is right now. I know it sucks seeing it low, but if you're just gonna hold anyway, what does it matter if Bitcoin's at 30K or 50K right now? It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you're not gonna sell until it hits a certain price anyway. Just think about it that way. But glad to see you here, man. All right, Bitcoin's trying to bounce a little bit. Now, don't get me wrong, we're on the 1 minute chart, so this doesn't really matter. But yeah, I mean, you can see what Bitcoin's doing. It just keeps coming back to the 20 on the 1 hour, just getting rejected. It's brutal. This is history. What a day. All right, let's see. Just close the 1 minute. What's up, Denise? Good to see you. All right. Okay, we're coming back down. It's the 1 minute chart, guys, so just keep that in mind. Spots say Luna. McDonald's. Going back to the McDonald's, man. What's Job up to in his room?
Dollar Luna weekly inverted Adam and Eve. Double
What the hell's going on in Jabba's room right now? The hell's going on in there? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go see what Jabba's doing. I'll be back.
Nothing has changed.
He's watching. Jabba, you watching Savvy? Why is that?
Nothing has changed.
Savvy, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Thank you, Savvy. Wait, Savvy, can you say it again?
Nothing has changed.
Thank you. Nothing has changed. I have a date coming up. Melissa's coming over, guys. Alright, I'm out of here. Oh, God. Alright. Hold on. Alright, we're back. We're back. Yo, what's going on, Pumpy Pump? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, bro. What's up, Marcus? 30,204. We coming down. We coming down. We coming down. Dana said he just lost it. Oh, man. Summer Sunrise said this is too much. You know what, Summer Sunrise? You know what, Summer Sunrise? Here's what you can do. Summer Sunrise. Here's what you can do. All right? Go watch some other boring stream. All right? That's what you can go to. See ya. All right, 30,162. Go watch a boring stream where they don't even know. They act smart. They have no idea what they're talking about anyways. What's going on doing the dumpy? What's going on, man? The road to cardboard box home. Nice, man. All right, so... I mean, what are we looking at here for BTC? Let's go to the daily time frame, 30,184. We're looking at 29.8. Really, 29.8 is one of the next wicks. And 28,757 is the next one. That's the next one we're talking about. So that's what we're waiting for in the daily. Let's say, I mean, a lot of the time frames are oversold at the moment. Okay? So I will say that. What's going on, Rodney? BTC getting nuked. Nice, 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 nice. Have a summer sausage. Where's Luna? Oh, Lord. Look at that daily. Yo, look at that daily. Oh, my Lord. That's one of the biggest daily candles I've ever seen.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
30K to infinity.
Oh, my Lord.
A lot of buys down there.
34 bucks on Luna. I mean, this could come down. This could come all the way back down to the previous highs. All the way back down to 22.42. UST is pegging me. Oh, UST is pegging everyone, man. They're pegging me. They're pegging everyone. We're even pegging Bob, who's not even holding any normal coins. But yeah, 22.42. I mean, that could be the range you come back down to, which is quite interesting. Very quite interesting. She's going down. All right, did Bitcoin break? No. Bitcoin's, I don't know if it's going to... Trying to make some type of W reversal. I mean, this is on the 1 minute, so I guess we can't get too excited here. Missed that short. I mean, we can look at other altcoins too if you guys want. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just one of those days, man. One of those days. I mean, look at Ape. Look at Ape, man. I'll tell you right now. My grandma's not coming to me how to buy Bitcoin right now.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
Look at 8. All the way back up to 27. Boop. Now it's all the way back at 8. Just like that. You're talking 10 days. From 28 to 8.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
Yeah, I mean, even Ape, you're coming up on... Man, look at Ape. Look at Shiba, man. Even Shiba. Mr. Shiba down 21% today. Shiba could be coming back down to the last summer lows. I mean, look at it. It has no support here. It's just straight up. So you're talking no support. I mean, this could come down quick. This could come down real quick for Shiba. And I'm a shibber, so I'm very disappointed in this. 0.0000000000962 is what you could be looking at right now.
Jordan! I'm scared! I have all my rent money's in Shiba. All my $300 for this basement is in Shiba. I blame it on George. George told me to buy Luna at the top. George told me to buy Shiba at the top. It's all George's fault. When George FOMO'd on Shiba on the day that it hit the top, you know what I did? I believed him. And I FOMO'd. And now look where it is. Freaking Christ, man. I'm going to invest in stocks. I love stocks.
You should be investing in stocks, not crypto.
Brickley Peppy said all my friends are getting out. There you go. There you go. Yo, what's going on, Drew? Good to see my good friend Drew in here. Good to see him in here, man. Yeah, but yeah, Shib coming down, Luna coming down. Who has the balls to long Luna right now? Does anyone have the balls to long Luna? Anyone? Let's see what this poll is saying. So we got, will Bitcoin go below 30K today? 77% said yes. 23% said no. Okay? 23%. That's my favorite. Oh, God. First bear market dump for me, and all I've done is laugh at the stream. There you go, Lee. Glad, thank you for being here, man. Thank you for being here. FOMO out just like you FOMO'd in. Nice. Nice. Let's see, man. Yeah, look at that 4-hour BTC. I would say I do. If I had money left. No. No one has the balls to long Luna. Umar said he's longing right now. 100x long on Luna. I mean, here's the thing. Like, if you long it at the correct time, you're going to be killing it. But like, I would not long Luna right now. Too much. Too much. But if you got the balls, sometimes the balls of steel is what brings you out on top. I've been buying Luna all day. There you go, Yeti. Well, if you've been buying Luna all day, you're down 50% in one day. So I hope you bought like most of it towards the end of the day and not the beginning of the day. At least I hope for you, man. Because if you bought Luna all day, depending on when you bought it, that could be pretty bad. Fear and greed? We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Rodney. Oh, fear and greed poll? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So we're at 11 yesterday. And today was one of the worst days I've seen in crypto in a long time. So let's see. Let's see. Let's do what will the fear and greed? By the way, 77% of people think that Bitcoin will break 30K tonight. That's pretty high. What will the fear and greed index be at in 5 minutes? Let's see. What will the fear and greed index be at in 5 minutes? There we go. Let's do this. Let's do, it was at 11 yesterday. Let's say above 11. Let's say 11. Let's say 10 to 11. Let's say 8 to 9. And let's say below 8. Below 7. No, below 8. I can't do my math. Below 8. There we go. I think that makes sense. Yeah, there we go. All right, what will it be, guys? What will it be? Let me know. Under or over George crying on stream about Luna and UST losing its peg? I don't think he's going to cry. He's going to be drinking, though. I mean, I don't get it. I have a Truly right here. Let's get a Bud Light Seltzer today. I don't blame him, man. I've only had one, though. I've only had one. I'm just sipping. Finally got some action. There we go. About time, Dale. About time, Dale. We never have action on stream, my man. Luna. Hold on. What else you guys saying here? Smash the like button, y'all. Thank you, Aqua Jimmy. Appreciate that, man. Thanks for hanging out, my friend. Eric, appreciate that too, dude. Atama, you're a stud, man. Said Luna Weekly, Inverted Adam and Eve, double top. Inverted Adam and Eve, double top. Could be. Definitely could be. Let's see. Oh, Lord, man. Luna's at 50, down 51.50 for the day. Oh, Lord. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. Inverted Adam and Eve. I wouldn't really call this Adam and Eve. Usually for Adam and Eve, you do want to see a little bit more of a V here. A V and then a round out. This one just both looks like two round outs. But either way you get a fat M. I mean, it's really a big fat M formation, right? Boop, 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 fat M formation. You broke the neckline. You're RIP'd there, man. RIP'd on Luna. $30 Luna. I mean, listen, $30 Luna. The crazy thing is, guys, a month ago, Luna was at $120. It's at $30 right now. Now it's below $30. It's crazy. All right, 30,166 for BTC. We got 1 minute to the close. What do I think the Fear and Greed Index is going to be at? I think we're going to see an 8. An 8 on the Fear and Greed Index. So I think actually will be the lowest of all time, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, I think that'll be the lowest of all time. Everyone's bearish right now. Sentiment is terrible. Charts are terrible. Getting high volatility, right? I mean, you're kind of getting the formula for a bad Fear and Greed. All right, yeah. Will we get the daily close below 30K? 30,095. Let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get. We got 1 minute till the daily close here. Oh, boy. Here we go. Luna got wrecked. All you can do. Listen, I own Luna too, guys. I don't. It is what it is. Look at ETH, Bitcoin, Dom. There's so much to look at. Everything's dumping right now, man. Everything's dumping. I can't look at everything. Guys, I apologize. Bitcoin's dumping. And we know Bitcoin controls the market. So it's important to look at Bitcoin, you know? All right, 30,083. We just closed at 30,074. So we gotta close above 30K. We can take from some type of positive out of it. Here it comes. $29K party music. Listen, I'm gonna play the pump song. If Bitcoin can hit, I don't know if it's gonna happen today, but if it can hit 27,000, I'm playing the pump music. Why? Because I got a bigger buy order at 28K. So I know people will be gonna be front running that 200 EMA, and then I got some in between here. But yeah, we're almost there. We're only 2,000 away from that. And I've been waiting for months for that to hit. Months. Wasn't sure if it was going to, but it's looking more likely now. Luna is at the 0.236 fib at $30. Yeah, 0.236 fib at $20. What, from the swing low to the swing high, I assume? Where's ETH doing? Where's ETH? ETH. I would say like ETH is actually, what's funny about ETH is actually holding up extremely well. Now that could change real quick, don't get me wrong, but ETH is holding up extremely well. Like its summer lows are still all the way back down at 1,700, where Bitcoin's already at its summer lows. ETH is holding up very, very well. And this is not to just knock on ETH, but it's a big reason why I love to accumulate Bitcoin and ETH, you know? Big reason why. It's a huge reason why, actually. Jordan! Stop shilling ETH! We know you like ETH. Okay? We don't need to hear how much you love ETH. Shill something else, bro. Shill something else. Freaking ridiculous. All he does is talk about ETH. Go shill one of your other bags. Freaking, this guy sucks. All he does is want to shill ETH. Just want to get people wrecked. That's all he does. I'm gonna go back on Twitter now. I'm gonna go troll BitBoy. Ridiculous. All right, here goes Bitcoin. About to back up. 30,600. Let's see. Let's see what we got.
Sub 1K at this week.
Bop. All right. 30,500. Can we get a little bit of a bounce here? Let's find out on the next episode of Bitcoin Ball Z. I want to get some ETH at 1,700. Okay. Nothing wrong with that. ETH, I'd say, I mean, ETH is still holding its January lows. Right? January lows coming in about 21.71. Still holding the January lows, which is actually quite interesting. How many people make money shorting now? Probably a lot of people, to be honest. But they do until they don't, right? Just as people, same thing when the prices go up. Do it until you don't. But what do we know about Bitcoin and crypto? It goes up and to the right over time. So you're better off being a bull. Would you buy some coins now or wait for more down? I mean, technically speaking, Bitcoin's at support, right? Technically speaking, you got support coming in from last summer. You got multiple lows here. You actually got multiple lows back here from January too, right? So technically speaking, it is support. I mean, you typically want to, I like to buy support, right? So if you wanted a DCA a little bit here, nothing wrong with it. I mean, you're buying 30K BTC. It doesn't sound like it's low. It might to you, but just remember. Just remember, 30K. We're down 50 plus, 55%, 56% from the highs. Doesn't mean it can't go lower, but historically speaking, like I always like to say, the closer you can buy to the 200 moving average, the better to buy historically. So, I mean, you're pretty close at this point. You're about a little bit less than 30% away from the 200 week moving average, which ain't too shabby. At least what I would say. I'm just going based off history. All we have is history to look at. Based off history, Bitcoin's never had a week close below the 200 week. So until it does, I got to go with that philosophy, man. I got to go with the philosophy. Oh, fear and greed. All right, so maybe we see. Let's do the poll first. So what will the fear and greed index be in 5 minutes? We have above 11, 13%, 10 to 11, 16%, 8 to 9, 37%, and below 8, 34%. Let's see. Let's go over here. Let's do a little refresh. It's going to refresh itself. Okay, let's do a little refresh. Wow, a 10. I'm shocked. That doesn't make any sense, man. You're at 11, and then you drop like 15%. Actually, it's like 12%. And you're going to tell me you only went down 1 point? Alt's got absolutely hammered today. Luna down 40-something%. You're going to tell me you're only at a 10 on fear. That's not what I'm seeing on Twitter. That ain't what I'm seeing on Twitter. That ain't what I'm seeing on YouTube. All right? That's not what I'm seeing. I don't agree with this stat. I don't agree. I have never seen the market more fearful. Never seen it more fearful. Everyone's bearish. Even the perma bulls are bearish right now. Okay? I don't believe in the stat. Not one bit. But no, historically, I mean, a 10. I mean, you've only been lower this a few times. March of 2020 and once in 2019, which doesn't make any sense either. Because 2019, really nothing happened there. But yeah. I don't know if I believe in that stat, man. True Classic Tees, you know inflation's hitting hard when True Classic Tees has no discounts. No discounts. $25.99, no discounts. That's how you know inflation's hitting hard. It's crazy. And we have some trading software, which I don't use. So we're going to get off that. There we go. Also, that's what I'm saying, dude. No True Classic Tees discount? What is this? That's how you know times are tough. True Classic Tees making no money. I need some new t-shirts. I need to get like another 6-pack. And I'm talking about t-shirts, not beer. What's up, Goldfish? What's up, Ead? DJ Belly, what's up, man? DJ Belly. My DJ Belly. You got like a big belly? There you go. DJ Belly. F Fed versus SEC. Let's see what happens. When Toyota? It's already Toyota, man. You're already getting the Prius. The Prius is already bought at this point. George makes losing money fun. Hey. Sometimes losing money is fun. You know why? Because then you appreciate it more. You appreciate what you have more. UST's dumping. Everything's dumping right now, man. Like, you could tell me any altcoin's dumping, and I'd be like, yeah. I don't think anything's up today. Carl was like jerking off that Costa was up today. And the volume was like him buying. He's like, oh yeah, Costa's up today. He bought like $400,000 worth. You look at the volume, it's like 600,000. Obviously, it's going to be up. CPI. Let's see. ADA review. You can do ADA. I mean, ADA just has no support anywhere where it is right now. So ADA could, we talked about ADA could come down really fast. Really fast. Let's go look at ADA real quick. So ETH is coming down 22.23. We got 21.71 is the next support for ETH. ADA 60 cents. Actually, let me read some of these real quick. Everyone panic. We're going to zero, said Sir Dude. Let's freaking get it, man.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
30K to infinity. Going to be a lot of buyers down there. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. If the big institutions are going to come in, they're going to be go below 30K. I mean, they're probably already buying right now. We just don't see it right now because the price is going down. Appreciate that, Shane and Sir Dude, my guys. Michael said, Amber Heard started this dump. Hey, what can you say, man? Another one bites the dust. But she deserves.
Bruh.
Sir Dude said, I think we see sub 1K ETH this week. No, not this week. Not this week. I think the only way you see sub 1K ETH is if Bitcoin drops like below 20K. I don't see Bitcoin dropping below 20K. So I don't know if we even see below 1K ETH. If ETH went below 1K, oh boy, been scooping up some ETH. But yeah, I don't think you see sub 1K ETH this week. Rodney said Daquan rug pulled the poop out of Luna and UST. We'll see, man. We'll see. You don't know. You really don't know with a lot of this stuff. So we'll see if. Oh my god. Oh my god. You might DCA into USD. You DCA into UST, it gets back to normal. Bam, 30%. Oh my god, man. There goes all the people staking on UST. RIP to your staking rewards over the past couple months. That's crazy, man. Imagine if you have a crap load of money on UST. Bam, you just lost 30% just like that. Wow, man. I'm sorry for everyone that holds UST too. That's bad. All right. Other than that, I hate to have fun while like people are losing money. I feel bad sometimes, but at the same time, it's like everyone's losing money, so you might as well just like have fun with it. All right, 70, and then Luna. Let's go back to Luna. All right, ADA, real quick. Actually, let me check Bitcoin. All right. So I don't want to miss the sub 30K Bitcoin drop, which I think it's coming tonight. Cardano has no support, man. I mean, if you just go down here, it's got no support into the next local high at 39 cents. Doesn't mean it has to go down there, but that's technically speaking the next support. Technically speaking. Other than that, I mean, we know Cardano's broken all the fib levels. Really doesn't have her anywhere else besides that. So just keep that in mind. There's really no other price action here, right? Straight up. Easily could just come straight down again. What's up, Wes?
Rocket. What the F is us? Tears of joy.
Oh, man. DCA to the moon, Wes. You know what's up. R.I.P. All right, here he is. 30. All right, Bitcoin's breaking 30K. It keeps knocking on the door. It goes right to 30K and stops. 30,018. Here we go. Will we see 29 for the first time since July? Let's see. July of last year. You're talking 10 months. Let's see. It's the moment we've been waiting for. Everyone who has their, the bottom dwellers, this is your time to shine, man. Where are you going to get back in, bottom dwellers? I got my levels. Where you going? Pump music? I'll do the pump music if we break 29K. I mean, we might as well at this point. I think we're all expecting it at this point, Which is crazy because we're all expecting it and it's still going to happen. Watch. There it is. All right. Coming back up a little bit now. Hit 29K real quick. We got buy orders coming in. There it is. Boom. Already hit 29.96. It's inevitable. Trying to hold the line. You got some bulls trying to hold the line here at 30K. It's like a fight, but you keep making lower highs, Like they're trying to fight it back up, but you just keep making lower highs. Now, granted, this is the 1 minute chart, so don't get your panties in a bunch. But you can't take it to the bank. But they're trying to defend it, but you're doing a worse time every time. Worst try. What's up, Billy? Billy said, how is every crypto guru? Appreciate the super chat, though, Billy. Was calling a bull market. Now the same ones are saying bear market, and that they called it. Yeah, I mean, I agree. A lot of the guys that... I'll say this, man. A lot of these guys who run their channels based off the premise of them being right and them giving people info, okay? So, a lot of these guys are going to take it with a grain of salt, okay? Listen, no one in this space, I will say that I'm like the only person... Not the only person, but I generally mean this. No one knows what the hell they're talking about in this space. Not me. No one. No one freaking knows. Okay? But a lot of people run their channel on them sounding smart and them knowing what they're talking about, but they really don't. Okay? I run my channel off having fun. I think everyone kind of knows that. Okay? But there's a lot of people in the space. They want to flip when the market is doing a certain thing to make them sound like they're doing the right thing. Right? Which... they'll call a bull market all the way till we get to the bottom, and then they'll say we're in a bear market to try to sound smart, as the prices are already going down. And that's usually when the prices flip back and make them look dumb again. So, yeah, I mean, that's what I'll say, man. A lot of people run their channels off them trying to be smarter than other people. And, I mean, to be honest, and looking back at it, a lot of the smartest people didn't really know what was going on. Exactly, Keith. Exactly, man. Except George. Best coin to buy in this bear market? Best coin to buy and the price is going down? Bitcoin and ETH. Bitcoin and ETH. That's what I'm buying. I'm basically focusing on Bitcoin and ETH. Most of them do fake trades. Not even talking about the traders, man. Elon Musk pulled crypto to pay for Twitter. Imagine that. Imagine that comes out. That would be brutal for Bitcoin. Oh yeah, Elon Musk sold crypto. And then boom. What's up, Daniel? Okay, boss, can we please look at link for Lauren Woods? She said please. Daniel, just for you, man. Look at you being a good citizen. Very, very good entry point for Spank. Spank's probably down so much right now, sir, dude. That's just like tucked away for wherever the next bull market is. That's just tucked away. My spank will eventually spank your ass, sir, dude. Okay, it'll spank it, and you'll like it. Okay, watch. I'm telling you, spank will 100x the next bull market. I'm not financial advice, guys. I don't buy spank. Okay, basically, I don't hold a lot of spank. I don't. At this point, from how much it probably dropped, it'll probably cost me more in ETH gas fees than to trade it into another coin. So I might as well just hold it at this point. Oh, Link. Yeah, let me do Link before I get too carried away. Link. Link. Let's see. $8. All right, so we hit that $8 target. Not target, but not really a target. Basically, the support we're looking at, which is our previous wick from all the way back in December of 2020. Link is at $8, man. That's crazy. I never thought I'd see $8 Link. And we might be seeing a $7 Link. It's nuts. Absolutely nuts. I mean, we had this falling wedge, and you know things are bearish when falling wedges break to the downside. And there you go. Broke it right to the downside. That was sort of like our hopium for chain link, right? Falling wedge, break to the upside. Nope. Chain link said, nope. Smash it to the downside. I mean, just looking at next levels for chain link, there's not a lot, right? 650. 650, and then you're talking like $5. So, chain link. Chain link, chain link, chain link. Just pushing down. But yeah, I mean, chain link.
So many YouTube talk guys are gone now.
Yeah.
Where's Coin's kid, for example? The real ones will stay even in bad times like this dude. We will be fine soon, Rocket.
Oh, that's kind words, Wes. Thanks for hanging out, man. I told you guys, what I've been preaching for the last, like, really the couple months. I see, be prepared for anything to happen, right? If you are mentally prepared to see Bitcoin drop, it's not going to bother you when it drops, right? If you're it's why be prepared. Like, Bitcoin could pump or dump at any point. It's Bitcoin. It does what it wants, when it wants to do it, how it wants to freaking do it.
Rant alert.
Okay? But if you're prepared and you're ready for either direction, it's not going to matter which direction it goes because you're already mentally prepared for both. All right? So yes, Bitcoin is crapping the absolute bed right now. Bitcoin is at 30,000 even. Okay? Which is absolutely crazy. That's why you got to be prepared for both scenarios. All right? That's what I kind of have been saying. Like, during that whole crab market where there was nothing going on, I mean, we didn't really know where it was going to go, right? We didn't really know. So, let's see where we go now, man. I'm not making any predictions. I'm telling you guys where I got my buy orders. But I'm not... Making predictions is so stupid, man. Because at any time anyone's made a prediction in this market, they've been wrong. They might get it wrong right sometimes, but they've been wrong eventually. So, I'll tell you guys where I have buy orders. My biggest buy orders, 28K. And then in between 22K and 27K, which is the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA. That's where I'm buying, all right? That's where I'm buying Bitcoin, and I'll buy ETH at those same levels. So, keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. But I'm basically right now, in the current market, I'm buying mostly Bitcoin and ETH. All right? I might splurge on some altcoins if some of them drop a lot. Like, there's a few that are getting pretty damn low. Like Harmony. I mean, Harmony just got crushed. I still like Matic. Still like AVAX. There's obviously ones that I'll accumulate too, but mostly Bitcoin and ETH at this point. My portfolio right now is about 80% Bitcoin and ETH, and it's probably more than that after the drop today. What's the point of holding alts when 99% of them follow Bitcoin and ETH? The point of holding alts is when the market's hot, altcoins outpace Bitcoin and ETH. So it's sort of like timing, when the market's going to go up. It's why you see, altcoins absolutely crush Bitcoin and ETH on average. And there's some of them that don't. But most of the time they do, if they're a good project, right? But in the same token, when the market goes down, okay? You see out today, and altcoins just get absolutely hammered, right? And Bitcoin and ETH tend to hold a little bit better. They still go down, but they hold a little bit better. Surgeon said, I bought a Link at 10, 9, 8, and now 8. Gonna pump like insane in the next bull market. $5 chain link would be a gift, just as good as 1K ETH. I agree, sir, dude. I already thought Link was undervalued. Link was killing it in 2021. We got to $50. At the end, it was just absolutely destroying. And ever since then, it kind of struggled, right? I don't know why, but yeah, $5 chain link. I don't think you can go wrong. You're already $50. It's already a 10x to the previous all-time high. I'm not going to say it's going to happen anytime soon, but when it does, that's insane. That's insane. You're talking 10x just to get to all-time highs. Doge Pilot, I got you on UST, man. Sort of just hanging out on BTC because it's really pushing this 30K level. Really pushing it.
Zoom out. This is where you make bank. It hurts at first, but feels so good after a bit of a ride flushed.
Yep. What's up, Lord Mario? Lord Mario's funny, man. He's funny in the chat, man. All right. Check UST again. Oh my God, man.
Can you check Oasis?
Oh my God, man. Luna's getting wrecked. That's crazy. I haven't seen anything like this in a long time. Look at that, dude. 63. Shout out to everyone in here, man. Almost pushing 2K viewers. It's like old times, man. When there's actually stuff going on, people come watch. No, but 63. You're talking about 62. Look at Luna though. 28.60. Holy moly, man. This thing was at 100 and almost 120 bucks. Not too long ago. You're talking a couple, really like 2 weeks, almost say 3 weeks ago. Nuts, man. UST to 0, it's not even a meme. I mean, at this point, I mean, people are gonna be getting out of that if they can, you know. I don't know. It's trying to bounce back up. 27 bucks on Luna. It's crazy. It's kind of like a red rope. That's really dark, man. That's dark, Zane. That's really, really dark. Savvy's probably jerking off right now, yeah. Savvy's probably jerking off. We got guys. What do you think Savvy's doing right now? Let me get rid of this poll, by the way. What do you think Savvy's doing right now? Let me know in the chat. While we try to see if Bitcoin's gonna make any moves yet. Sir, dude, thank you for the super chat again, man. You're killing it right now. Zoom out. This is where you make bank. It hurts at first, but it feels so good after a bit of a ride. You got it, my friend. You got it, my friend. Right now, you can just laugh, man. It's funny. It's funny. The lower we go, the closer. I will say this, man. And obviously, it sounds obvious, but if you think about it in a positive way, the lower you go, the faster the lower you go, the hypothetically, the closer you get to a bottom, right? So, if anything, right, I mean, if everyone's expecting it to go down, it's better just to go down now. And that's sort of what we've been saying for the last couple weeks. Like Bitcoin, if you're going to do something, just freaking do it. Just go to the 200-week moving average right now. Just freaking do it, man. Just do it. Just go. And that's what it's doing. So it's what a lot of us asked for, right? We did a poll a couple weeks ago. We said, would you rather Bitcoin just go sideways for another few months or just dump right now? And most people said just dump right now. So that's what we're getting. That's what we're freaking getting. I'm Halo, so we can check out OSIS. Yeah, we can check out OSIS. Is it holding up? Let's see. Link about to drop below 8, by the way, guys. OSIS. 11 cents on OSIS. Yeah, this one's got some way to go, man. This one's got some ways to go. You got, take a swing lows, the swing highs. Broke the 786. I mean, yeah, this one's got... Let me go to the weekly on this. See if we got any weekly levels we can look at here. There's not a lot, man. Weekly's looking kind of ugly on this. Yeah. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, I mean, the next level I'd look at, I mean, right around 9 cents. It's really got not a lot to go. You know? Like this one, yeah, it's probably got lower. Depending on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin pumps, all right, yeah, whoo, here we go. We'll make some moves. But right now, I mean, here's what I'll say, guys. Like typical TA, I'll tell you guys this. Typical TA would be like, all right, daily RSI is oversold, daily stocks are oversold, right? So you'd be due for a bounce. What I'll say is this, man. Right? What I'll say is this. Here's what I'll say. None of it matters if Bitcoin just wants to poop the bed, right? So it's why I'm just looking at supports for altcoins, right? I think looking at Bitcoin is obviously more important, and I think a lot of people are smartening up to the idea that Bitcoin is the driver of the market, right? So 9 cents. I'd say looks pretty likely at this point, unless you want to pull a 180 and kind of break the trend, right? But I mean, at some point, we're going to get a relief rally. On most altcoins, Bitcoin, we're going to get a relief rally. All right, Bitcoin's dropped below 2930K again. Here we go.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
All right, here we go. It's getting juicy. It's getting juicy. Who's buying Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the chat. We're less than $2,000 away from the 200 EMA. Who's buying Bitcoin right freaking now? I'm not telling you to do it. You guys do it when you want to do it. But who's buying right now? Let me know in the freaking chat. Who's buying? Who's buying ETH? Let me know in the chat. Who's buying Luna? I don't know who's buying Luna. Some lunatic is buying Luna. But who's buying? Let me know in the freaking chat. All right? Let me know. No one's buying Luna, Jordan. No one's buying Luna. Do you see that shit? Do you see Bitcoin? It's so ugly. I'm literally shaking right now. I'm literally shaking. Everyone's spitting on Bitcoin right now. No one wants that crap. It looks like absolute shit. It looks like a giant red dildo stuck up your ass. No one wants to buy Bitcoin right now. Okay? Especially Ethereum. Stop shilling ETH. No one gives a shit. Mom, is my meatloaf ready? What do you mean? Just put it in the microwave. I don't care about it being good. I just want to eat it now. Microwave it. 2 minutes. I'll be up there soon. I'm finishing around the blockchain. I love BitBoy. No, but in all seriousness, man. Who's buying? Let me know. How low can we go? I don't know. Maybe go a little lower. I got 2.5 Luna and $35. Nice, man. 2.5. Oh man, he's got 2.5 Luna in his name and $35. Killing it right now. Drew said, "You know I'm buying." Of course you know, Drew. Drew buys the fear. I love it. Below 30K BTC, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. They're really crazy. It's so weird just seeing a 2, you know? I'm just so used to 3s and 4s at this point. It's so weird seeing a 2 next to BTC. I know it sounds weird, but it's just really weird. Mike said 298. Surprised the neighbor's not going nuts. I've been yelling a lot. No? Am I? I feel like I've been yelling like a lunatic. All right, 29.9. Where's Luna doing? 31.25. What's everyone's favorite stablecoin doing? Let's see. Bitcoin dominance is actually kind of holding up pretty well, which is crazy. UST. No, not that one. What did we do with UST? Hold on. UST. USD. Yeah, still at 66. All right, it's bouncing back a little bit. Congratulations. You guys got 5 cents back. Nice. You stop when you walk as well? Oh, I do, man. I am a loud walker. Like, if I was born as like a Native American and I was walking around, you know how like Native Americans are very quiet? Oh, I would be instantly killed by a pilgrim. Like, everyone would be walking around quiet, and I'd be the guy that's like, and I would instantly be shot by a pilgrim, instantly. Total market reset. I'm fine with that. Wipe out all the crap coins. I'm cool with that, man. You know why? Because I don't hold any crap coins. Well, I do. But the ones that I care about, I don't care if they go to 0. Like, I don't care if Spank Chain goes to 0. I don't care if Pussy Financial goes to 0. Do it. If that's what it's going to take, dump them. Dump them to 0. Other than that, I don't really hold a lot of shit coins, to be honest. I told you guys. I mostly stick to the top 100 anyway. Unless I'm just like, oh yeah, let me jump in this meme. You know? Or you just be known as Loudfoot. Oh, God. What's up, Alex? Good to see you, man. Thanks for the super chat, dude. He said, my mate in 82nd who's in the dirt in Poland is going to cry so hard when he gets Wi-Fi. He has like 60K crap coins. Nice, man. Wait, he's going to cry? When he gets Wi-Fi? What?
There's no Wi-Fi.
No? He's going to cry when he gets Wi-Fi. Oh, God. Yeah, he's going to be, he has 60K in shit coins? Oh, yeah. He probably lost 30K today. No joke.
Who's in the dirt in Poland is gonna cry so hard when he gets Wi-Fi. He has like 60K in shit coins.
Torrent's Native American name hangs on Lake Luna. What? You'd be even louder. I'm not eating my socks, man. Bitcoin's not going below 20K. I will not eat my socks. I know you guys really want me to eat my socks at this point, but it's not going to happen. Michael said, you're making this dip so much better, bro. Thank you. Unlimited Era said, Binance is delisting Luna. Binance is delisting Luna? That's brutal. That's really brutal. How much does Walmart pay these days? I think the minimum wage. What's the federal minimum wage now? Like the federal minimum wage. Does anyone know? Someone tell me in the chat. I work at McDonald's. I'm making $15 an hour. I'm raking it in. But I don't know how much Walmart pays, to be honest. You know? I would assume it's around the same. Anyone here work at Walmart? In all seriousness. You're probably, I mean, if you work at Walmart, you're probably making more money than me right now. So, like, honestly. Who works at Walmart? $7? $7? No way, man. You're going to tell me in today's day and age, someone's making $7 an hour? Dude, no way. Oh, God, man. Now it makes sense why, like, 80% of Americans only have $500 in their account. $7 minimum wage? After taxes, you're working for a Snicker bar every hour. Like, what is this? How could...
What's this?
$7? And that's not even, that's before taxes we're talking here. Holy moly, man. Holy moly. 8 down 30%. Wednesday will bounce. Arby's is 14. There you go. It's pretty good.
Depends on the state.
15 in Florida. Nice. Less than that in North Carolina. Oh my God. Hungry? Why wait? I stand corrected. Okay. I guess that was not... Yes, $725 pre-tax. That's insane. All right, 29,986. So we chilling. Luna's trying to bounce back a little bit. All right, Luna. I see you, Luna. I mean, we're not life changing here, but Luna's back up. Luna's back up to 32.26. It's not. I mean, it's not life changing, but we're making moves. €6 minimum wage. €6? Well, I don't know. The thing is, I don't know how much stuff costs in Europe. You know, so I can't judge that. Constipation staying stuffed up. Oh, constipation. Oh, I'm sure constipation is I'm sure constipation is not constipated right now. I'm sure everything's coming out right now of constipation. Let's see. I'm sure the liquidity is coming right out of that ass. Let's see. Constipation. No, it's not really constipation. Constellation. All the liquidity is coming out of Constellation. Actually, it's not as bad as other ones. There you go, Constellation. It's getting a little bit of it out, but it needs a little bit more. Still not at the lows, 11.8. It's probably where it's going next. You know? It's probably where it's going next. 11.8 to maybe try to make some type of double bottom here. If that breaks, you'd probably test the next highs, but okay. Okay, I like it. I like it. Let's see what happens, though. Holding up decently well. Once again, I mean, you're oversold on a daily on both the RSI and the stock RSI, so we'll see what happens. But, yeah, it depends on this guy right here, who just kind of
GRT for me.
keeps making lower highs.
Let me go weird.
15K a year and IRS don't take taxes. Is that true? That's not true. I'm sure they'll still. I'll have to pay you. Jordan Bra, what price does your. No comment, man. 15 when bond. The funny thing is right now, guys, I know everyone's like freaking out, but it's not just crypto that's getting absolutely rocked, right? Stock market's getting rocked. You got stable coins getting rocked, right? Everything's getting rocked. But the housing market's going to get rocked here soon. When was the last time Chainlink went under $8? I couldn't tell you, man. Where is it right now? Where's Mr. Link? Where's Link the Slink? 810? Last time Chainlink was at under $8 was all the way back in September of 2020, which was like the start of when Bitcoin really went parabolic in 2020. So that's a long time ago. Talking a little bit over a year and a half. Yeah, that happened, man. Sergio said, so we are officially in a recession? I can't tell you that. But I can tell you the prices are going down. The world is ending tomorrow. Went to 6 today. $44K UST pair. Jordan, Jasmine is pumping. Let me see if Jasmine's pumping, man. I don't believe. Everyone always says Jasmine's pumping, but let me check it out. If you're lying to me, man, I'm never gonna look at your coin again. So don't lie to me. Just be honest. Bro, come on, man. I can't get excited over this. You can't even see the candle. It looks like an ant. Not even an ant. It looks like a something you need a magnifying glass for. You know? I can't get excited over that. I'll give you this.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Okay? But other than that, nope. Can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it, man. What about 8? Listen. Guys. I want to be honest with you. I mean, we got to watch BTC. Nothing's bouncing back if BTC doesn't bounce back. Okay? Nothing is. So let's chill. Let's chill. Talk ADA. Guys, I'm going to be honest. Like, I as much as I want to talk about altcoins, there's a time and place to talk about altcoins. I would say that right now, there's literally 0 point of looking at altcoins right now. There's literally 0 point. Unless you just want to know like support levels. I mean, there's no point in doing TA on alts. Literally 0 point in doing TA on alts right now. Like literally 0 point. I'm just being honest. Right? Maybe ETH. But besides Bitcoin and maybe ETH, there is 0 point. Right? Everything hinges on Bitcoin. And in the same sense, I mean, for Bitcoin, everything hinges on the stock market, at least right now, right? So it's like a chain of events. The stock market's going to dictate what Bitcoin does, and Bitcoin's going to dictate what the altcoins do, right? Unlimited Era said, you think it has to do with MicroStrategy and Sailor? If it goes below 21,000, his loan gets recalled, and he has to sell Bitcoins to cover it. I don't know, man. I want to say no, But you honestly have no idea. Teju said, Mia's been pumping, honest. I want to hear a pump song. Teju, I will look at it for you, man. Just because you're always here, man. And I know you. Okay? So I'm going to look at it for you. I'm going to trust you. Okay? Okay, it's been pumping a little bit. There you go. I'll get a pump song, man. Let's hear it. Get a couple days of pumpage. Don't wanna party. I miss this song, man. I'm having fun tonight still, but holy crap, I missed it. It's so much better. The stream is so much better when you hear the pump song. It is. It is. It's so much better with the pump song and the moon helmet on. We'll get back there someday, guys. But right now, McDonald's. But no, Miami is pumping up pretty good. It's actually up, despite Bitcoin dumping, Miami's up about almost a 5x in the last couple of days. So nice, man. If you caught that, nice. Not really sure why it pumped, to be honest. But there you go. Must have been some type of news. Trading my poo coins for some PS5s and a trailer of tampons. Nice, man. Those will probably hold value better than your poo coins at the moment. But yeah, nice. I don't know how long it's going to last for. I mean, daily RSI is overbought. Stock RSI is overbought. With Bitcoin pooping, right? So take that for what you will. But you're back over the 50. You're probably going to come back and backtest the 50 and try to hold it as support at some point here. All right, 50 moving average at 2.5. I could see this coming back down to 2.5. Back testing, and that'll be the real test. Does it want to continue higher, or does it want to just break the 50? I think that's what you're going to watch coming up next. But a back test there does make some sense. Bitcoin's trying to get a move back up here. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way. This is not the hourly. This is strictly the 1 minute chart. So take that for what you will, guys. Right? Actually getting a wick right up to, look at this. It's crazy how moving averages, like even the shorter term time moving averages work. Like look at this 200 moving average. Bitcoin went straight up on the 1 minute 200 moving average. Right up, wicked right to it, got rejected right there. It's crazy how, especially the 200 moving average on a lot of time frames seems to work a lot of the time. 200 and the 50, I feel like are the two most, 55 to be exact, tend to be the two most, I guess you should say, reactionary moving averages. At least that I've noticed. Poor George. I'm excited for George's stream tonight. Maya's excited for George's stream tonight, isn't she? Who's going to be watching George tonight? Let me know in the chat. I want everyone in here to watch George tonight and say Jordan sent you. We're going to raid his stream. Remember we used to do that sometimes back in the day? We were blowing up his chat. Okay? I remember the day. Like, there was a time like where literally his chat was going nuts and he didn't even know what to do. We're going to blow up his chat today. Okay? So everyone in here, if you're watching George tonight, okay, to just blow up the chat. I'll be in there too. Okay? We're going to blow up his chat. That's what we're going to do. He said nah. New Green Dildo said nah. Why not, Green Dildo? You'll watch me, but not George? Come on, man. All right, 37. Me. We're all George. Come through, say what up. I'll watch George. Holy moly. I can't get excited on Bitcoin pumps, guys. I can't. 30,831.
Ask Maya, where to take a girl for the first date?
Oh God. QM. What I'll say is this. Never ask. What I'll say is this, QM. Okay. Before she answers, I'll say is this. Never ask advice about a girl from a girl. Okay. That's what I'll say. Okay. They don't even know what they want. Okay. But otherwise, what's your answer?
Walk.
A walk. She said a walk. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Right? What's the saying? Keep it simple, stupid. There you go. I'm stupid. I'm very stupid. Holy moly, man. Alex. Holy crap, man. That's a big super chat, bro. Sending you my sketzels for... what does that mean? What's a skeckle? What's a skeckle? Hopefully I'm not saying something inappropriate. For good luck for everyone in the chat holding and buy BTC at these historic lows. You're a stud, man. You're a stud, bro. Yeah. Everyone. Just hold strong, man. Hold strong. What's up, Iad? For the memes, please check Bonded Luna and PLT. Bonded Luna. I don't know what that is. UST trying to bounce back up a little bit. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Luna up. Now Luna's up 20% on the new day. But 20% is only getting back to 36 bucks, which is actually crazy to think about. What is it? Bonded Luna for the memes? Okay. I guess I'll do it for the memes, man. Bonded Luna. Let's see. Wait, this is not Bonded Luna. I typed in Bonded Luna. All right, let me do the other one. What is it? PLT? Okay, neither of those are on here. Let me go to PLT. Okay. I don't know which PLT it is, man.
Sorry, I meant shekel.
Oh, I still don't know what that is. Oh, shekel. I got you. It's a currency. I was confused, man. I was confused. Holy moly, Alex. You're going nuts, man. I got you now. I should have known what that meant in the first place. That's kind of me being... That's what I say. Sometimes I can be stupid. I should have known what that meant. PLT for the memes. Is this the right one? This one, I mean, this one's not down too bad. What was the other one? Bonded Luna? I'll look it up real quick for you, man. Bonded Luna. Luna? Holy majoli. Well, yeah, dude. Wow. I don't really even know what this is, but I'll give you a dumb song. Why not? R.I.P., man. R.I.P. A lot of things drop that much, though. Shekels. Who buys that? Bondage. We look back at this time as a BOGO sale. We will, man. We will. Just for everyone that's buying it now and it's like freaking out. Like, oh my lord, Bitcoin dropping below 29K. For everyone who's freaking out, look how close we are to the 200 EMA. Right? As the dump song's going on in the background. I'm giving hopium while the dump song's on. This is so not right. Look how close we are to the 200 EMA. Okay? Just look at it. All right? Look at it. It's right here. All right? See the blue line? That's where the 200 EMA is. Let me tell you this. Bitcoin has in the whole history of Bitcoin's only been below the 200 EMA for literally 3 months of weekly closes in its whole history. Okay? So my thinking is this. All right? Can you drop below it? Yes, because it's done it before. But it tends not to stay that low for very long. Okay? Now, could history just be absolutely thrown out the window and, you know, it doesn't matter and it's going to get broken at some point? Yes. But all we have to look at is the past. All right? So, once again, March of 2020, dip below it, close above it. All right? 2018 was the only time where you really stayed below it. Once again, you stayed below it for only 3 months, and then you popped up and did a 5X. Okay? You can go back in time. Wicked below it, closed above it. Wicked below it, closed above it. Okay? That's it. That's all you got. And if these were hypothetically to continue down, they probably would have never been below it, honestly. So, listen, we are very, very close to historically what has been one of the best places to buy Bitcoin. Okay? So, just be ready. Just be ready. That's what I'll say. So, now it's up to you guys. You guys been waiting on the sidelines. I mean, that's my best educated guess on where Bitcoin could go based off the past. But it's obviously your guys' decision, right? So I think the 200 EMA is a good point to buy. 27K. And then obviously the 200 moving average, which Bitcoin's never closed below, which is at 22K. We're very, very close to both those levels. So It's decision times. Decision times, guys. Decision freaking times. Anderson said, does anyone remember when profit means? True. True. What's the red moving average line? That's 200. That's a 200 moving average. Just for a little hopium, in case anyone gets it. What if it doesn't go there? Well, there you go. That's why you DCA, right? So you already bought. It's a different strategy, man. It's a different strategy for everyone. Some people like being bottom dwellers and buying right at their price. Some people like DCAing in over time. Depends. Depends on people's strategy. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. I already told you what I'm doing today. Yeah. Can Jabba do a TA? He also bought a Lambo. Jabba, he's at a party right now, man. Maybe he'll stop by in a little bit. He's at a party right now. I don't even know if he actually might be having the party here. I mean, as we know, Jabba loves to the party right now. He's got no time for us right now. He's partying. We saw him earlier, though. DCA into Bitcoin and ETH. Well, you can. Rip Warren Buffett? What? What are you guys saying in here? We will look back at this time as a BOGO sale, said Falcon. Faxman. Alex said, went to take a poo. Thanks for sharing, man. Went to take a poo, and my last drink fell over, and my last pair of pants are now soaked in whiskey and soda. Very sad day for me right now. Well, Alex, at least you take a poo, man. Think about it. Think about it this way, Alex, all right? There's always some positive you can take out of any situation, okay? So just think about this situation you're in. You spilled whiskey and soda on your pants, right? But here's the positive. You took a shit. There's some people right now that are constipated, okay? And there's probably someone out there who's constipated and spilled their drink on them. At least you took a shit, right? Think about it that way, if you want to be positive about it. Seriously, man. Ead said, can Jabba D2A? He said, Jabba's busy, Ead, but listen, he'll be back tomorrow, I'm sure. You know, he'll be back. Either he'll be crying or he'll be happy. We know Jabba, he gets very emotional. So he'll be back at some point. At least he has pants. At least he has pants. Yeah. Alex, at least you have pants. Okay? There's people out here that don't have pants. Keep that in mind. Did Savvy unblock Jabba? No. Savvy, all I want to do is have a stream with Savvy. That's all I want to do. This stream took a hard left into the Twilight Zone. Some of us, soon none of us will have pants. You think so? Constipation is no joke. Oh, man. All right. Let's see UST. Look at UST bouncing back. If you bought the dip on UST, hey, man, you bought the dip. You're up 24% on the bought the dip. That's why you guys buy the dip. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
There you go, man. You don't even have pants now, Alex? You tell me you only have one pair of pants? Alex, you gotta explain more. I don't know what you're talking about. Very positive. It is positive advice, my friend. When it dips, we dip. If UST... I'm still at a loss. Bought 11 UST coins for 88 cents. We're going to get up there. If USD hits peg, Luna will be $60 tomorrow, and I'm cashing out $60. That's BTC. BTC's at 30,600. We'll stay on a little bit longer, guys. So longer. I mean, Bitcoin did technically pierce 29K today. We went down to 29,700, which, funny enough, is where Bitcoin actually closed. Where actually Bitcoin had its lowest close from last summer on July 21st, 2021. That's exactly where Bitcoin's, I guess, at least trying to bounce right now. Okay? At least trying to bounce. What did volume look like today? I know some people hate volume, but let's check out volume. Volume. Let's get rid of this. Let's bring up the volume here. Oh yeah, man. That's some good. That's the volume we want on a dump, guys. That is the volume that we want. Okay? And that's kind of exciting, man. We were waiting for the volume to pick up a little bit on some of these sell-offs. Because historically, what have we said, right? This is also a little bit of hopium. Every Bitcoin bottom has started with a giant capitulation wick. Okay? Or at least, maybe not a wick, but at least a giant capitulation with big volume. I mean, now today wasn't the biggest volume in the world, but it was the biggest selling volume that we've seen since all the way back on May 19th when Bitcoin had that giant sell-off. Okay, so that is at least something positive to take from this, that we did get a big, giant sell-off. Now, Mike can't say shit, right? I can hear him I think Mike's dead, but we can hear him from the grave right now, right? He's saying, Jordan, there's volume. I forget how he talks. There's volume. There's volume. Jordan, there is volume. I can hear from the grave. There's volume. No, but honestly, like, this is the most volume that we've seen from Bitcoin since May of 2021 when we had that giant sell-off. And before that was January 2021 when we also had a giant sell-off. So we saw some volume, right, for some hopium, okay? It's hopium. Don't count your chickens. Don't count any of your chickens. There's no chickens to be caught. But it's at least a good sign. It's at least a good sign. It shows that a lot of liquidations or a lot of selling, man. A lot of selling. It's not your best impression? True. I forget how to do his voice, to be honest. The only way to lose is to sell. Let's see. Carrie said, just curious, does this pattern fit into Wickoff? I mean, you could argue yes. Okay. Let me go over here, Carrie. So, Carrie, if you look at this, right, I think you're going a little bit too low for Wickoff. A little bit too low for Wickoff. I think if you bounce a little bit higher, maybe. So I don't know about Wickoff, however you say it. Everyone says it differently. Or maybe it's just me who says it wrong. D. Thomas, I appreciate you for being here, man. Thank you for saying that, man. That makes my day. But yeah, I don't know if it's, you can say it's Wickoff or blah, 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 blah. But one thing we can look at is what Crypto has been talking about. If you've been watching my reaction stream today, you guys need to go follow that, by the way. Okay? Links in the description. Go sub to my reaction stream. What we basically do is we watch other people's streams, other crypto people, and I sort of just react to it. Bob reacts to it. Jabba reacts to it. Today was kind of a test run. We'll do more of that. We'll do another one tomorrow, by the way. So make sure you guys go subscribe to that. Link is in the description below. And go, seriously. Those will be a lot of fun, especially if the market picks back up again. But yeah, so Crypto is kind of talking about this triple bottom, kind of like we had down here, right? We had one bottom, two bottoms, three bottoms, and then continuation up. Should have the one bottom, two bottom, three bottom, continuation up. Could make some sense. It would also fit this 59-week theory, okay? This theory, because everyone has a theory in this market, would also fit the 59-week theory. And it would also fit that the weekly RSI is almost at the same point it was in December 2018 when Bitcoin was at 3K. Okay? It's almost there, which is crazy to think about. That's how much Bitcoin's came down, and that's how much just consistent sell pressure there's been. But 6 straight red weeks. 6 straight red weeks. You know what I mean? So that's just the consistency. We're almost at that December 2018 RSI level too. So, I mean, listen, we're at 30K. Should find some support at 30K. I mean, it was the lows of last summer. It would make sense for a bounce off 30K. And then we kind of go from there. You know? Tomorrow's reaction should be great. Oh, it's going to be great, man. People are going to be freaking out. You just farted? There you go, Trickleworth. IMF trying to play. Some relief. I think everyone wants some relief. Could be any type of relief. You know what I mean? You know what I'm excited for after the stream? I got this M&M cookie sandwich in the freezer. I'm gonna nail that M&M cookie sandwich. You guys are jealous about my M&M cookie sandwich. I know you are. I'm kind of hungry right now too. Maybe I'll eat some dinner. I have to go on another step and walk tonight. So much fun stuff going on in crypto today. So much fun stuff. Thanks, Doe Drama. Appreciate the kind words, man. Everyone's being really nice. Despite the price going down, I really love the positivity in the chat today. And not so much like, oh, Bitcoin positivity, but you guys have been really nice to me today. What I've noticed is there's a lot of trolls on other people's channels. I don't have a lot of trolls, which I don't get because I'm trolling myself. But I've always said that, and I appreciate you guys for being generally pretty kind today. And you, like I said, if you guys aren't kind, I don't care. If you guys want to troll, I don't care. You guys know me. I'll troll you right back. But there's a lot of positivity in the chat. Like, despite the price action, you guys have been pretty awesome today. Luna's almost back at 40. Yeah, I mean, Luna got absolutely annihilated, right? I mean, I don't know how far this was going to dump without getting some type of relief. You just didn't know where, right? And I wasn't going to be the one who's going to long a friggin' fallen knife like that, right? But whoever did, like we said earlier, if you long Luna and you did it at the right time, congrats. I mean, you just made a killing. So, congrats. What's up, Skillful? Penguins battering Rangers. Nice. You know you're read-down on one day. I'm asking George about Java Coin. Do it, man. That'd be funny. Alex came back in the chat. He said, I broke my hand and leg 2 days ago. Oh my God, man. I'm drunk as fuck. But my wife forgot to wash my clothes yesterday. Wait, Alex, what are you talking about, man? Like, what? I appreciate you telling me this. Hold on. Alex said, I broke my hand 2 days ago. I'm drunk as fuck, but my wife forgot to wash my clothes yesterday. Gotta work in whiskey stank jeans now. Wish me luck. Oh, good luck, man. Oh, here he is. He's back again. Alex said, enjoy your MM chunks. I'm going to use a hairdryer in my pants.
I think she forgot on purpose.
Alex, maybe it's because you got really drunk, man. Maybe she's pissed. maybe it's a sign, man.
Yeah.
Daniel said, what the hell, bro? That's a shit show. Yeah, it sounds like a shit show over there, man. Oh, God. It really is. All right. Right, and then Carrie, we did that one. Mantle with the $10 super sticker. Thank you, dude. Thanks for hanging out and laughing today. Really fun stream. One of the funnest streams we have in a while. It's serious. Like, it's fun. Even if the price goes down, it sucks, but it's still more fun than watching paint dry, man. You know? I have more fun with it. So, that's what happens. We'll get price action. I just missed some price action, and it's finally good to get some. Even if it's bad, at least you have something to talk about. Like, that 4-month range between, like, January and April was so boring, man. Like, I've never been that bored before. Never been that bored. So 31.2. Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a bounce back up. Not too shabby. Luna's trying to bounce back up. Apes trying to bounce back up. Up 10% on the new day. So you're seeing some stuff bounce back a little bit. Will it last? I mean, we can look at some... I mean, we're just so extended from the 4-hour moving averages. You know? It would make sense to just go sideways or maybe a slight bounce back up to retest some of these. 4-hour shot, right? 4-hour needs a little bit of a reset here at some point, but man, you just don't know in this market, man. It's like Bitcoin has these little retraces and just, you know, keeps getting rejected here. So, see what happens going into tomorrow, guys. I'm not gonna, you know, I think making predictions in this type of market is sort of a fool's errand. Well, my only prediction I'm gonna make is I'm gonna buy between 27 and 22K heavy. I'm gonna be DCAing before that, but that's the heavy lifting. Well, really starting at 28K because I don't want people to front run me. 28K, man. And I'll probably buy something tonight, honestly. Probably buy something tonight as soon as I get off stream. Please check the 1-hour chart volume. 1-hour chart volume. I got you, man. Let's see. Let's do that. Let's bring up the volume. I know everyone loves the volume indicator. Let's see. The 1-hour chart volume.
Did we check the moon phases?
The moon phases? Not bad, not really bad volume coming in today. Well, like you said, not bad buy pressure volume. Big sell off there. Trying to bounce back up there. Not too shabby, man. Not too shabby whatsoever. It's like stuck right here. It's like bothering me. It's literally stuck to the price action. Like you saw me just try to scroll and get away from it. Sometimes I do stuff and I forget like thousands of people are watching me. But yeah, like it's stuck. It's stuck right there. And it's pissing me off. 31.3. All right. Come on, BTC. Why are you saying shoot? Did we check the moon phases? Ead. Ead. I love you, Ead. Because you're always here. You know, I cannot get on the moon phase bandwagon, man. You know, you guys, you know me. I'm gonna be super honest. Like I can't get on the moon phase bandwagon. It's such a shitty indicator, man.
Rant alert.
It's so shitty, man. All right, I'll check it for you just because I love you. Okay? But just know in my heart that I hate the moon phase. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out on the 3-day. Because apparently the 3-day was the one to check out. All right, so you get a dump there. This one didn't really do anything. We dumped there. All right, we went up there. This one was, I guess, kind of the top. This one was kind of the bottom. This one was kind of the... All right, it hasn't been... I'll say this. It hasn't really been too bad, okay? It's just so inconsistent. Usually the moons happen when it's like in between a move already, you know? I mean, don't get me wrong. Some of these times it's actually been pretty decent. Don't get me wrong. I just can't get out of the moon phase hype wagon, man. It's a moon, you know? It's a freaking moon. The Bulls control this game. True. Like, what's next? The sun phases? I know. Suns don't have phases. I know. Waterfly said you're still on. Yeah, I'm still on, man. I'm still on.
Fucks with your emotions, that's what it is.
Sure, it does. It does. Unless you're a rock. That's it. Twitter's down. Oh boy, I know Bitcoin was trending on Twitter today. I know that. Java control the market. All right, guys. Hold on. Should I buy Litecoin now or wait? Said Drew. Drew. Just buy Bitcoin and ETH. And I know you like Cadena too, so stick with Cadena. Stick with Cadena, man. Cadena's at like $2, $2.50, man. That's crazy. Mantle, thanks again, bro. You're awesome today. And everyone's awesome today. All right, guys. We had a fun stream today. Really, really fun stream today. But let's call it a stream. We've been live for a little bit. And a lot of action today. Luna got crushed. UST got crushed. Bitcoin got crushed. Every alt got crushed. But hey, listen. We're getting closer to what I consider the golden buy zone in the history of Bitcoin, which is between the 200 moving average and the 200 EMA. We're almost there, all right? So if there's any positive takeaway, we are almost freaking there. Put a smile on your face. These are historically the best opportunities to buy Bitcoin and, well, in that sense, altcoins at whatever level Bitcoin's at. So be ready, man. Just be ready. As I'll always say, be ready for any scenario. If Bitcoin wants to bounce off 30K, make sure you're prepared. If Bitcoin wants to dump from 30K below into the 20Ks, make sure you're prepared. All right? Catch you guys later. Don't panic, sell your crypto. I'll catch you guys in the morning. I'll be live at, depends sometimes. Sometimes I'm a little bit sleepy. It's 9:15. Okay, probably 9. I'll try to get up. I'll try to get up tomorrow, okay? 9 o'clock. I'll catch you guys there. And then if you guys haven't followed the reaction channel, okay, make sure you check the link in the description below, okay? You'll see it in there. You'll see reaction channel. Click on that. Subscribe to that channel, all right? We're going to be reacting to other people's videos, all right? We're going to have a lot of fun with that because I don't hold back, all right? Today was a test stream. We're going to have more going on with that. But see you guys later. Don't panic, sell your crypto. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And don't panic, sell yo crypto. All right? Adios, guys. Have a good night, man. All right, and woman. Woman, I should say. All right, later, boys and girls. All right, I'm still here, guys. Sometimes I'm still here awkwardly even after I say bye. It's crazy. I got to refresh. I'm still here, guys, so I might as well talk. Might as well talk. I'm still here. You said no link? No link? Well, if there's no link, I'll post it on Twitter, okay? You'll find it on Twitter, too. Find it on my Twitter. And I'll post it tonight, and I'll post it again tomorrow, okay? Catch you guys later. You guys are nuts. Absolutely nuts. Later. Swarm George. By the way, guys, Swarm George tonight. If you guys do not swarm George, make sure you're saying Jordan sent you in George's stream tonight. Okay, it's in 1 hour. Cryptos Are Us. Go over there, spam George's stream. Okay, absolutely spam it. Jordan sent you. Jordan sent you in the stream. All right, make sure you spam it tonight. I'll be in there too. All right, later, boys. Peace. Spam it, guys. I'll be pissed if you don't spam it. By the way, I'm telling you, I'll be pissed. I'll be pissed. All right. I'm actually going to go now. I don't want to leave you guys, but I'm going. Bye.